So this little exercise I call the pelvis rock and roll. So this is going to teach you how to come from a sitting into a flexion, how from flexion into sitting. So it's taking that pelvic tilt exercise we did earlier in the month and making it useful for us for things like roll down and teaser. So we want to have the feet flexed here so that your heels are digging into the ground. Now imagine that your heels are stuck permanently exactly where they are. And now Maria is just going to lean back until her arms are straight. So she's just going to stay nice and relaxed in the ribs and she's just hanging out. So that's kind of your quasi-teaser position. Now you're going to push your heels forward against an imaginary barrier. And when you do that, you'll notice your pelvis will tuck. So try not to move into the ribs at this stage. And then pull your heels towards you and you're going to feel your pelvis picking back up into extension. So push the heels away, tuck the pelvis, pull your heels towards you, and you're going to extend your spine. Okay? So you're just working on rocking on your sitting bones, using your feet as a guide to connect into your pelvis, and then that can be a beautiful sort of preparation again for getting you to go into roll down or getting you to come into teaser, having that sense of what happens in the lower back as a transition point for those types of exercises.